bright that thing is. I tried running with the inverter only, and it was drawing the battery down too much.
Can you make popcorn?
Yeah.
Alright.
I even got a Bluetooth. I can take and stop the generator if I want to from here.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah,
oh,
what do you think?
Is that a timber?
No, that is a Mentor.
Oh, okay.
Multi-flux Mentor.
Oh, wow, awesome. Alright. I didn't know you did that.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure if the live feed's going to work down here.
Already?
Yeah, the thing is, it's yeah, the signal really sucks down here, so.
Oh man, I get my goggles.
Yeah, if you want, I've already got mine set up over here if you want.
No, I'll get mine.
Okay, because I'm already recording. Okay. Alright. I know I see Maya over there. Alright. This ought to be real interesting. Okay. So now I've got basically everything recording, so oh yeah.
Have you done this before here?
Not here. Well, that sucker took off really nice.
Oh, I need to put the floats on my timber. I'm watching this video. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm seeing what the plane is seeing. Center.
Oh, heck yeah.
You can look at his TV screen in there and see what it's seeing.
Yeah, unfortunately, it feels like it's still flying off to the side, though. Yeah.
I used to go kayaking out here a lot.
Do you see yourself crash too?
Yeah, you could say that. You could definitely see yourself crash. But, man, it's a...
I'm not sure if I've got you on the primary channel, but I got it.
Yeah, it seems like I'm kind of getting a blip every now and then.
Yeah, me too.
I think that has something to do with the video transmission.
Well, you know, we get it at the park too.
Yeah. Well, not bad. At least I know the float plane is working. I just wish I had the live stream going though. Oh man, it's
Did your video dim there?
yeah, well, it's getting kind of, oh man, it's getting really grainy.
Mine is not too bad, but it's a lot of lines.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set it for landing here.
Yeah, I don't know if it's deteriorating or what.
I know how high above the water. Oh, there we go.
There you are. Perfect. Level. Awesome. Uh-oh.
Oh, where'd the camera go? Oh, shoot. I don't know if I'll be able to actually go down and get it or not, though. How far down is it right there?
I think it's about 5 or 6 feet out there.
Might not be too bad.
They're already wet. They can go for it.
Yeah.
Got a mask and fins?
Alright, I guess we're going diving for the sessions. I should have put tape up here too. Damn! All things to fall off. Yeah, I hit the water pretty hard on that one.